from the situation from today looking forwards?
So this is the general situation as we see, and we can see the Southern Ocean lows are just coming into the picture now. We've got a pressure just at the Cape of Good Hope and one coming in from Cape Horn. But this is the train that we've been talking about, with all the boats riding this train ride down to the Southern Ocean. And this is the low pressure we're talking about, but you can see this corridor of breeze. Now that's what Boris was referring to in the video. If you're too close to the east, you get the lighter pressure. And again, if you're playing the wrong side, you're going to end up in no man's land. So this angle, and it's just literally a couple of miles difference that's going to make all the difference in this wind speed that they're getting. And this is where we've got this cutoff on the fleet that's coming. So just zooming into the front of the pack, they're just riding just ahead of this front, and that's why they've got the flat water, 17 to 20 knots, really consistent, and that's why we're breaking the record so many times. As we move along this train, you can see the wind speed is getting slightly lighter, and that's having an effect on their boat speeds. That's why Boris is talking about having to change his sails, because he's not quite in this stronger pressure here. If we look at the animation, this is the front of the fleet where we've got Charlie Dallin and we've got Clarice at the back and we've got Yannick Bestevan in the middle here. You can see the risk that Clarice has just dropping off the back of that weather system where the others stay with it. So that's what we're going to look ahead to. And at the back of the fleet, we've got Koji, we've got Conrad, and we can see them being routed here, and they don't ride the train. They're getting left behind, and they're going to have a very different system, and they're going to have less wind, a less favourable angle, and a much longer distance to sail.